A day before yesterday, I received a message on Facebook asking every Muslim to fast yesterday together. Is this type of call permissible for Sawm? This question is from Aba Jabil Abbas Sabit. My dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Muslims do not fast for Corona. Muslims do not pray for Corona. Subhanallah, listen. You're doing what you're doing for the sake of Allah. You're fasting for Allah. There is no such a thing that you fast, but when you're fasting and when you break in your fast, you can make dua. اللهم ارفع عنا البلاء والوباء يا رب العالمين. Oh Allah, lift this pandemic, lift this plague. You see, but you do not do the act for Corona. No, you don't do that. There is no such a thing. You do your act of worship, yes. We know one of the best ways to get your dua accepted, that you proceed this dua with an act of worship. So you do an act of worship sincerely for Allah, then you make dua. وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ مِنَ الْبَيْتِ وَإِسْمَاعِيلُ. Ibrahim and Ismail are raising the foundation of the Kaaba. Then what? رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا. Then he made that dua. رَبَّنَا وَاجْعَلْنَا مُسْلِمَيْنِ لَكَ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِنَا أُمَّةً مُسْلِمَةً لَكَ وَأَرِنَا مَنَاسِكَنَا رَبَّنَا وَابْعَثْ فِيهِمْ رَسُولًا. Yes, it's good. So you could fast for the sake of Allah. Now what should be your intention in Sha'ban? Hadithun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that Usama ibn Zaid radiallahu anh used to see the Prophet sallallahu fasting a lot during the month of Sha'ban. He asked him, Ya Rasulullah, why do you fast? This is a month. So you're doing an act of worship here. Now, you can make dua. You can make dua. All right? Hopefully it's clear, brothers and sisters in Islam.